Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing where the image will live: a cloud bucket, an image CDN, or a public repo. Upload the optimized file, JPEG, PNG, or WebP, and resize it to the target dimensions to save bandwidth. Once uploaded, rename the file using lowercase letters and dashes, avoiding spaces and special characters. Make sure the object or file is set to public or shared with a link. This first step guarantees you can generate a usable, persistent URL immediately. Next, obtain the direct image URL rather than a web page link. Look for a file extension like JPG, PNG, or WEB. If your host offers a CDN or secure HTTPS endpoint, use that URL to ensure fast, reliable delivery and mixed content safety. When supported, append query parameters for on-the-fly resizing or format changes, and add cache control hints. This reduces load and makes the URL flexible. Once done, test the link. Finally, embed the URL into your HTML IM tag, markdown, or application payload. Make sure the server returns the correct MIME type and has CORS enabled if the image will be fetched from browsers via JS. Prefer HTTPS to prevent mixed content blocks. If the image fails to load, check permissions first, then validate the file path and file name, confirm CDN propagation and rewrite rules, and clear caches. Resolving one of those usually fixes the issue quickly, so your photo URL works everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.